In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Bitbucket step by step. We'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring that you can link these two powerful tools to streamline your workflow. Let's get started. First, we need to open your web browser and head over to Jira by Atlassian. You can simply do this by typing Jira into your search engine and clicking on the official Jira link. Once the page loads, if you already have an account, you should click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen. If you haven't signed up yet, now's the time to do so with the sign up option, which is also at the top right. Both options will lead you to a page where you'll be asked to enter your email address to proceed with your login or account creation. For those who prefer a seamless experience, you can opt to continue with your Google account. Doing this is as simple as it sounds. Just hit the Continue with Google button and follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. Once you're logged in and on your Jira dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Apps section, which you'll find in the main navigation menu. Clicking on Apps will bring up a drop-down menu from which you should select Explore More Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace, where you can find numerous add-ons and integrations to enhance your Jira experience. Now, in the Atlassian Marketplace, direct your attention to the search bar at the top and type in Bitbucket. This is where we'll begin our integration journey. You'll find several options, but ensure you select the SharePoint connector for Jira app. Trustworthy options include those from well-regarded developers like iDevIT or Communardo. Once you've identified the appropriate connector, click on it to view more details about the app. The next action is to try out the connector. Look for the Try It Free button to start a trial and understand how the features work in conjunction with your existing setup. After clicking this, you'll be prompted to select a site. It's important to choose the correct site where you want this integration to function. Take a moment here to verify your selection. Finally, hit the Review and Install button. This will present you with a summary of the app details and permissions. Ensure you review everything carefully. Once everything looks good, proceed with the installation by following the prompts. In no time, you'll have your Jira and Bitbucket perfectly integrated, ready to enhance your development process. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to integrating Jira with Bitbucket. Feel free to revisit any part of this guide if you need a refresher. Thanks for watching and happy integrating!